Wow, amazing. So guys, here I have 2 pieces of cassava. You can make as much or as little as you want, and what we want to start to do is to cut this up into smaller pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead, because we have to take the skin off, so I'm gonna cut it into thirds. When you buy cassava and you cut into the cassava, you want it to be nice and white and clean. That's how you'll know you've got good cassava. And to clean it, you're going to cut down here like this, and then start prying it open like this. So just peeling back on that skin. Make sure that you get the pink skin off also, not just this brown one. So you see, that's what you want. So I'm gonna finish clean the rest of the cassava, and I'll see you guys right back. Okay guys, now we're gonna take the cassava and we're just going to run it like this. Check it, make sure it's to the thinness you want. So this is pretty good for me. It wouldn't go thinner than this, so I'm just gonna use it as is, and I'm gonna continue to slice up the rest. So we're going to give this a rinse, and we're going to leave this to drain out completely before we actually fry it. So make sure your chips are laid out flat so they dry out that moisture that's in there before you move ahead onto frying it. Okay, so I just rinsed out the chips, and what I'm going to do is just lay them on this cookie sheet, because I want them to dry out properly before we actually fry it. You don't want this to be splattering when you put it into the hot oil. So to fry the cassava chips, I'm using the CJ Simply Natural coconut oil. This is available in Trinidad and also on Amazon. So you want to place your heat on a medium-high for this, and once it comes up to temperature, then we'll move ahead onto frying the chips. Okay, now that the oil is hot, I'm going to go in with my chips, so my cassava chips. And you guys feel free to fry these as brown as you like. And you want them to fry evenly also. So I'm gonna let these fry. I'll tell you how long it takes so you can have an average. Okay, this first set is finished. I'm gonna take it out and drain it on my paper towels. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for homemade cassava chips. You guys see how easy this was to put together? Just make sure and don't over fry it for it to get too brown, because it can get brown very quick. So I'm gonna taste one or bite into one so you guys can hear how crunchy this is. Wow. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Quick tip, if you think when you take it out of the oil it's too white, trust me, it's not crispy enough. Trust me, as it cools down, it's gonna get even more crispier. So just don't over fry them. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, comment down below, let me know what you think. Feel free to switch it up and use any other type of root vegetable that you would like, and probably make a combination of others. I'll try to do a Terra chips recipe for you all soon. So thank you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.